Hi, I'm Rachel Torchet and I'm a research engineer at the Bioinformatics and Biostatistics Hub in Institut Pasteur Paris. And today I'm going to talk about a project that is really important to my heart because it's talk about gender equality. And this project started almost 3 years ago, and it started with a simple casual talk during a book club where my dear colleague Anna Julienne were presenting one paper about gender disparities in science, and especially during conferences and question asking sessions, and we were at the same time organizing the same kind of conference in a national level about bioinformatics and biostatistics and hosting it in our institute in Paris. The conference were due in 2021, and we were thinking that it should be the best moment to reproduce this kind of research and do it also in our conference. So we build up this project. We write a job offer because we wanted to recruit someone with a background in social science, because Anna and me, we don't have this background, and we were thinking that it could be like a great addition to this kind of project. So we write a job offer and we recruit someone with a background in social science, and due to the event from those 2 years with pandemic and virtual conferences, we added an extra layer to this project, making the observation through a virtual event.
So in JOBIM 2021 conference, we launched a pilot study on gender-speaking differences in academia. Through this evidence-based and mixed method study, we intended to answer the following question: how to create the condition for a gender equal expression in scientific conferences. So how we did that? We did different step observation and study. Before the conference, we collected data through registration form. Then during the conference, we observed the talk and especially the question session. We had 9 volunteers to help us observe the conference. We observed 66 talks and we collected more than 400 questions. And then at the end of the conference, we did a post survey that were answered by more than 150 people. And then we also conducted 7 in-depth interviews. And the results are summarized here. So on the top panel, you have a few of the demographic data from JOBIM conferences from the current year and the past years. On the A panel, you can see a plot of the number of participants at the JOBIM 2021 edition by age category. Color represented the count of each gender. On the B panel, you can see a bar plot of the number of participants at JOBIM 2021 by age categories, where the color represents the attendees' answer to the question: do you identify as a member of the LGBTQIA+ community? And on the C panel, you can see the proportion of women with respect to JOBIM previous edition. So you can see here an effect of the conference being hosted in remote. Then here you can see all the written question asking during JOBIM 2021 conference. Also, the color are representing the genders. And here you can have a little quick view of the cookbook that were used for the qualitative analysis made by our brilliant student, Juan Liu Zhang. So this is just a little glance of all the work that we have done on this project. But if you want more detail about the methodology, methodology and all the results that we had collected and analyzed through the edition of JOBIM, you can have a look to the paper we wrote, which is available on bioRxiv now. And you can also have a look to the guideline that we wrote for STEM conference organizer. And one day we hope to have a nice website where we can store all the guidelines and toolbox, such as the script that we use to extract info from the Zoom export or the form that we use for observational volunteers. And here we are. I hope you enjoy this poster. I hope you enjoy the talk, and if you have any question, feel free to ask them. Thanks.